Alrighty then, I, the stingray whisperer, who fished from her dock for 2 hours and just caught stingrays, who is now clean and shiny, is going to test the corn on the cob in the microwave for 4 minutes and see how it goes. So my hope is I do not catch my home on fire. So I'm going to watch it, and I decided to do 4:30. Why? Because I can, and it's my microwave. So it's going round and round. Nothing's caught on fire. Always a good sign. Go, little corn, go. Okay, I can see your sandals with your socks. Okay. Okay, so the man has taken out the kern on the cob, and he's going to cut off... Wait, no. It's the pokey end. The end that grows on the corn. Oh, yeah, that's it. Is that right? Not the tassel part.
The stem, right. Not the tassel. There's the
okay, tassel. Do it. Okay, so now, hold on. Let's see. Wait, I gotta go around. Okay. Okay, let's see if it works. Hold it straight up in the air with the bottom. Yep.
Yes.
Yep. Now try to pinch it. Doesn't work. Don't burn your fingers. Maybe you need to cut off some more. You need to cut off more. You're not into the corn. You got to get into the corn. Dang, is there any corn in it?
Yeah, I think there's.
Okay.
That's it.
Had to cut more, and boom, there it comes. Hold it straight up. There you go. Darn if it don't work when you do it right. Right on. Now we'll do a taste test. Ha! So it works. It's super tender, and that's how far he had to cut into the bottom. And then it squeezed out. Ha! How cool is that? Kern on the cob from the microwave, and none of the silk going everywhere. I can dig it. Later.